So this is the new setup. Got a bigger, better pump. I've got an auxiliary flushing line, which is off at the moment, but this is the main flushing line. Goes into the top of the electrode holder, and I've also got a little skirt made out of a cut open drink bottle, and I've also installed a second double power point down the back. That's where the light and pump take off. The light. I still have yet to figure out a proper filtering system, although I think I'll go for a settling tank and a main tank. This is an old air compressor which has got 1/2 inch BSP welded literally left, right and centre. Now I just have to wind it down and start sparking. And the good thing about the skirt on the drink bottle, or the drink bottle skirt, is it minimises the risks of fire. Considering this is diesel and there's sparks around. Yes, I know that's a very bad combination, but it practically eliminates the risks of fire. Unfortunately, it also seals the noise in, and I run this nearly entirely by ear. So I've yet to figure that out. I'll just decrease the pressure by turning on the auxiliary flushing port, and you should be able to see some sparks in there when the pressure equalises. It also minimises spatter. Now I can hear something. It's about 10 mil in, so the sparks are at the tip of the electrode. Occasionally get a spark right at the top. That's because it's only rolled. There's a spark. Rolled copper wire that I've annealed and rolled between two cast iron flat edges. So it will have its very small kinks and bumps.